a farm school, a bee school, master gardener initial training, food preservation classes, pressure canner testing, a food drive, 4-H clubs, spring cleanout day, and many other activities and programs. Thank you for taking the opportunity at looking at our February newsletter with NC Cooperative Extension in Cherokee County. And we'd like to remind everyone that you can sign up for any of these programs or activities 24 hours a day, 7 days a week with our new online registration system. So please take an opportunity to do so. We have also started the Grow and Graze podcast, and it provides information about farming and gardening and other programs and activities that we are doing in our office, along with some helpful hints on how to grow and the garden and other type of information. And finally, you now have an online way to receive information from our office with myself and the Master Gardeners. It is called the Agent Assist and Master Gardener Assist program. And follow the links below and fill out the form, and we will get the information that you have requested to you. Once again, follow any of the information below or links below, and it will take you to where you need to go. Or at our website, you can also follow the links to sign up for our programs or activities. Once again, thank you for being with us and for looking at our newsletter, and we look forward in seeing you at one of our programs or activities. Have a great day.